What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. And I thought about filming these for a while, and I decided I'm finally going to do it. I want to do a line of like generic Dew videos, basically generic copies of Mountain Dew. This Mountain Dew is one of my favorite pops out there. And the very first one is the Publix version of Mountain Dew. This is called Mountain Splash. Citrus flavored with other natural flavors. This is a 2-liter. Now, I did not see a diet version of this. I don't know if it exists. I normally prefer diet anyways, but so I just got the regular for this video. Here it is. So this is the Publix version. Let's give it a try. Let me this over here. Going to put it in a famous red Solo cup with some ice. Normally I don't like doing this because it waters it down, but this is warm. And pop's not the greatest when it's warm. Typical from the way it looks. Close to the color of Mountain Dew. Maybe not as green. A little bit more yellower. Just got to give it a try. I'm already guessing it's probably going to be sweet. It's actually pretty close to Mountain Dew. It's definitely sweeter than what I'm used to, but then again, I don't drink a lot of regular pop. Doesn't seem to have as much carbonate as Mountain Dew. There's something else there. Something else with a taste. It's very, very close though. I have to say, it's very, very good. I'm definitely going to keep an eye out to see if they make a diet version of that. Like I said, I don't know. And if they do, I may review that too. Some people say, well, if you review the one, why review the other? Diets definitely affects the taste. If you had both versions of a pop, you know that. But yeah, this is actually quite close from what what I might do next time. I may actually have a regular Mountain Dew and say one of these and then do a comparison video in the same video. But yeah, I think it tastes pretty close to Mountain Dew. A little different, but yeah, I'm impressed. They actually replicated it pretty well. Definitely say that is tasty. Sweet, but tasty. But it has that classic citrusy taste to it. Just a little something else there. Still pretty good. Alright, but this is a generic Dew. This is, like I said, this one's called Mountain Splash from Publix. Alright. And I intend to do more of these. I actually bought 3 or 4 other generic Dews from different stores. I'm going to try to get as many as I can. It's just whatever's in the area I have available. Then if I have to start looking online, I will. But yeah. Alright, any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Alright, see ya.